Transforming your living room doesn't require a complete overhaul or a hefty budget. Sometimes, the most impactful changes come from small, thoughtful adjustments that breathe new life into your space. If you're seeking to create a living room that feels fresh, inviting, and uniquely yours, here are 5 simple hacks to get you started. First, rethink your furniture arrangement. It's easy to fall into the routine of keeping your sofa and chairs where they've always been, but shifting the layout can make your room feel brand new. Try angling your sofa to face a window, or create a cozy conversation zone by grouping chairs together. Experiment with floating your furniture away from the walls, which can make the space feel more open and dynamic. Even swapping the positions of a side table or accent chair can change the flow and energy of the room. Take a moment to walk around and view your living room from different perspectives. Sometimes, the best arrangement reveals itself when you simply start moving things around. Second, focus on lighting. Lighting sets the mood and can dramatically alter the appearance of any space. If your living room relies solely on overhead lights, consider layering in different sources. Add a stylish floor lamp in a darker corner, place table lamps on side tables, or string up some soft fairy lights for a touch of magic. Don't forget about natural light. Keep your windows clean and opt for light, airy curtains that let the sunshine in. If you want to create a warm, inviting atmosphere, choose bulbs with a soft, warm glow rather than harsh white light. The right lighting can transform your living room from dull to dazzling in moments. Third, introduce texture and color through textiles. Throw pillows, blankets, and area rugs are your secret weapons for a quick makeover. Swap out heavy winter fabrics for lighter materials in spring and summer, or add a chunky knit throw when the weather cools down. Mix and match patterns and colors to reflect your personality. Earthy tones for a calming vibe, or bold prints for a lively touch. An area rug can define your seating area and add warmth, while new pillow covers offer a low-cost way to change the look of your sofa. Even a simple reupholstery project can breathe new life into tired furniture and make your living room feel refreshed. Fourth, curate your walls. Blank walls are missed opportunities for self-expression. Hang up art that inspires you, whether it's a large statement piece, a gallery wall of family photos, or framed travel souvenirs. If you're renting or hesitant to commit to nails, try removable wall decals or adhesive hooks. Shelving can showcase books, plants, and decorative objects, while mirrors add depth and reflect light, making the room feel larger. Don't be afraid to rearrange or update your wall decor as your tastes evolve. Your living room should tell your story and reflect the things you love. Finally, embrace greenery. Adding plants or flowers instantly revitalizes any living room. Choose easy-care houseplants like pothos, snake plants, or succulents if you're new to indoor gardening. Place them on shelves, side tables, or in hanging planters for a touch of nature. Fresh flowers add color and fragrance, while larger potted plants can serve as striking focal points. If you're limited on space, even a small vase of greenery can make a difference. Not only do plants improve air quality, but they also bring a sense of calm and balance to your living room. These 5 simple hacks, rearranging furniture, enhancing lighting, updating textiles, personalizing walls, and adding greenery, can transform your living room into a space that feels new and inspiring. The best part? Each change can be accomplished in an afternoon, letting you enjoy the refreshed atmosphere right away. Start with 1 or 2 and watch as your living room evolves into a reflection of your style and comfort. Thank you for watching. I hope this has inspired you to go ahead with your living room transformation. Please press the like button if you enjoyed it. Thank you, and have a great day.